I want to show you guys on the charts how one pattern can lead to multiple setups or multiple patterns in one. Now, usually all depends on where you catch it and how you catch it, where it will give you multiple opportunities to either rinse and repeat or to just catch multiple trades going in either direction. So the very first thing I want you guys to take notice of is the fact that on Palantir 15-minute time frame before the markets closed, it was potentially forming a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulders pattern. And this is a bullish signal. Okay. I'm not saying that it will go up that high, but you just never know. But you can kind of see this thing forming out. Will it either invalidate by coming lower or just going straight up when the market opens? We just have to see. But I wanted to bring this up first because you will notice a few things here with this one little setup here. The first thing you'll notice is here we have a bear flag. Okay. The bear flag is the downtrend, which is the flagpole. You have the upward consolidation here, and the outcome of a bear flag is for the price to go down. And that's what happened. Now, you may also see, let's just say you miss most of this little outcome from that bear flag. You notice that we have what you would kind of look at as a descending, a descending channel. Okay, that will be this part. And usually the channel is bullish until it's bearish until it becomes bullish. So could you act on it? Yes. A lot of times you just kind of find at the bottom where some support could be for the thing to stop falling to start pushing back up. Okay. So bear flag. And this is the first move here, riding it down. The second move could be potentially getting into a call at the head here and riding it up once you've gotten your confirmation that it will continue pushing up. That would be your second move. Now, let's just say the market opens up Monday, right? And it decides that it starts to play out this here and start kind of making that right shoulder out. What do you see now? We have formed out a bull flag. And the bull flag ideal outcome would be to push to the upside, right? Which will be here. So this one inverted head and shoulders pattern leads to multiple opportunities or just simply depending on where you catch it. So you got this ride down with consolidation, bear flag is formed. This downward little trend that we got here will be our descending channel. Not only do we have this bull flag here that could potentially form, we will also have a ascending channel here, which is bullish until it becomes bearish, right? And in this case, we actually have where we could potentially get a stop at for this ascending channel to become bearish, which is right up in this area here, where we had this bear flag forming. Okay, so one pattern, multiple opportunities, support and resistance there kind of, you can kind of see it. Always usually depends on if you go a little further to the left and try to find where that support would be there. But this one thing can lead to multiple things and multiple opportunities. Now, let me say this. Don't try to act on it just because we don't know how long this thing is going to play out. This being on a 15-minute time frame, could you catch it? Yeah, but you got to be quick on your feet. I would love to see this, or I love to see this on higher time frames because heading double tops and double bottom used to be my go-to when I first started. But you see how much data, how many levels and how much opportunity we have in a head and shoulders or an inverted head and shoulders. That's why I look for this setup as much as possible because it gives us so much opportunity to make multiple moves.